July the 4th, one of Wales's best festivals returns here to Cardiff, Tafwyl 2015. As Tafwyl's ambassador, I'm excited to announce that this year promises to be even better than ever, with countless gigs, performances and activities. You'll find a sports area, literature and cooking tents, street entertainment, stands selling the best Welsh produce, entertainment activities for children of all ages, and best of all, it's all free. This festival celebrates the Welsh language in our capital city, but there's a warm welcome to everyone. So why not come along? Remember, you don't have to speak the language to enjoy it.